Hey guys, welcome in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to improve your mindset, but also how to improve your trading, both at the same time. And you guys will see that I will share with you a concept that is really important and that I explain to every single one of my students inside of our coaching program. And it's really something that helps people just develop themselves and have a different perspective on what it really takes to achieve good results. So I'm really excited to share this with you. So just before that we start, as always guys, feel free to drop a like on the video. I would really appreciate it. And again, it just helps to push the video to more people. And make sure as well that you're subscribed if it's not already done to the channel. So let's get right to it, all right? So how to actually improve both, as I said, the mindset and your trading at the same time. Now, one of the main problems that I see is that people, for example, get into trading, they focus on learning how to trade, understanding the markets and stuff like that. Then they will put on some trades, they will try to make money and stuff like that. And then in a couple of weeks, a couple of months from that, right, they will start to lose money and it's not really going to give them the results that they want. So then after that, it's going to impact their mindset. And then from there, they will try to improve their mindset, right? So their focus will shift on actually improving the mindset, how to feel better, right? How to not be impacted with their emotions and stuff like that. Then they will come back to trading. They will try to go on the markets again because they think that the reason why they were not profitable was because of their mindset. So they try to trade, they try to make money, it doesn't work, they go back to mindset and they do this flip a couple of times. And then unfortunately, a lot of people give up, right? That's probably one of the main patterns that I see between all the new traders, right? And it's actually probably one of the main reasons why so many people lose money. It's simply because they don't really know what they really have to work on in order to improve. So let me explain you guys what I mean by this, right? Now, if you don't have good results right now in your trading, it's because of one thing, and it's because that your trading system, your approach doesn't work, right? Whether that it's you don't know how to do a good analysis, you don't know how to time your trades, you don't know how to manage your risk, you don't know how to, just have a good mindset, or all of these things, right? Now, the most common answer is obviously all of these things, right? But if we, again, just look at the components that I said here, well, it also includes not knowing how to trade and not really having a good system in place. And that, guys, is the foundation to being a successful trader, right? I mean, even if you have a good mindset, even if you know how to manage your emotions, if your system to begin with is not really good, well, you will not be able to achieve great results over the medium to long term, right? And so no matter how much you work on your mindset, if your strategy doesn't work, well, you will just not get where you want to be, right? So the first thing that you have to do is improve your system, right? Now, what is a good system to trade? Well, I talk about my own system in almost all the videos that I do, right? You guys, if you've been watching the channel for quite some time, you know what I'm talking about, right? Fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and a catalyst, right? So the momentum. So you need to start with fundamentals, you need to do the technical analysis, and then you need to use momentum, right? Now, how to do all of these parts, by themselves, well, that's exactly what I teach in our coaching program, but that's beside the point. But once you have a good system, right? Like once you just follow this order, right? And again, it can be done in multiple different ways, right? There isn't just one way of doing it, and every trader in the world that makes money trades exactly the same way. No, that doesn't make sense, right? So you can adjust the system a bit, right? But if you follow this structure to begin with, you will already have a much better probability to actually get good trades and make money, right? And so once you focus on that, then it's going to help you improve your trading. You will start to get better results. It doesn't mean that you will make crazy amount of money, but maybe that you will just lose a bit less, and maybe that you will be more around break even. And for someone who has been losing money for a long time, well, just the fact of not losing money and starting to see some gains, that in itself is already a big win, right? And so once you get in this position, think about how this will impact your mindset, right? Once you become better in trading, your mindset will be better because you will feel better, you will be happier in your life in general, and you will just be more focused on your trading and, just have a positive way of looking at trading and at your life, right? And so having a good mindset will actually motivate you to do even better in your trading. You will stay focused, you will want to improve even more, and you will just want to work on that, right? And so again, this mindset will help you to improve your trading, and then improving your trading will help you to improve your mindset, right? So you see that they all work together, but the main mistake that so many people do is that they try just at the beginning to focus on trading. They don't learn from the right people, so it doesn't work. And then what what most people will tell you online is that if your trading doesn't work, it's because of you, it's because of your mindset, right? This is what most of these gurus tell you. So when you get told that, well, you're like, okay, if it's because of me, let's work on myself, right? Let's work on my mindset. And then you work on that, you come back to trading and it doesn't work again and you don't understand why, right? Well, that's the reason, guys, right? The mindset is very rarely the only reason why someone is not profitable, right? Most of the time when I see people who are not profitable and I just ask them how they trade, well, their system is broken. Their trading doesn't make any sense. It's all over the place. There is no system, there is no process. And so of course that you are not profitable. And so my point is that the mindset is really not the only thing that makes people not succeed in trading. And if you just try to focus on that and forget the trading part, it's definitely not going to work. So instead of going about it that way, which is again what most people do, focus on your trading, get better at it directly, understand the markets. This in itself will help you get better results, and it's going to create a positive loop where you will just constantly get better and better results. You will get a better mindset, and this mindset will help you improve. So that's the idea. And I'm telling you guys, if you really apply this right now in your life, and you really just understand the power of this dynamic, right? It can change everything. And again, you can apply this to trading, but you can apply this to anything else, right? Guys, having a good mindset, being happy, right? Being successful here, it all starts with also being successful in real life and having results in real life, guys. Like you have so many people who just tell you to be motivated, right? And to work on yourself and stuff like that. Well, it's good, but right, like there's nothing wrong, but if you don't have anything from that, right? If you don't achieve any of the results that you want, how do you want to really be this happy and really feel amazing, right? So it's something that has to work together, right? You get some results, it helps you feel better, and you just, go between them, right? And you just, use them at the same time in order to just improve this, right? So I hope you guys understand this idea here. Again, it's really important. It's something that I apply in my own trading, but in life in general, and it's really something that just helped me in the last couple of years just to get to where I'm at today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was not a very long one, but I really wanted to talk about this. I think it's really important. So if you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to share it around, leave a like on it as well. And on that, take care, trade with care, manage your money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.